Hi, this is A Navin, rule number 49, and my topic is about register transfer language. A digital computer system exhibits an interconnection of digital modules such as registers, decoders, arithmetic elements, and control logic. These digital modules are interconnected with some common data and control parts to form a complete digital system. Moreover, digital modules are best defined by the registers and the operations that are performed on the data stored in them. The operations performed on the data stored in registers are called micro operations. The internal hardware organization of a digital system is best defined by specifying the set of registers and the flow of data between them. The sequence of micro operations performed on the data which are stored in the registers. The control paths that initiates the sequence of micro operations. The register transfer language is the symbolic representation of notations used to specify the sequence of micro operations. In a computer system, data transfer takes place between processor registers and memory and between processor registers and input-output systems. This data transfer can be represented by standard notations given below. Notations R0, R1, R2, so on represent processor registers. The addresses of memory locations are represented by names such as LOC, place, memory, etc. Input output registers are represented by names such as data in, data out, and so on. The content of registers or memory location is denoted by placing square brackets around the name of the register or memory location. Register transfer. The term register transfer refers to the availability of hardware logic circuits that can perform a given micro operation and transfer the result of the operation to the same or another register. Most of the standard notations used for specifying operations on various registers are stated below. The memory address register is designated by MAR. Program counter PC holds the next instruction's address. Instruction register IR holds the instruction being executed. R1 processor register. We can also indicate individual bits by placing them in parentheses. For instance, PC 8-15 R2 of 5, etc. Data transfer from one register to another register is represented in symbolic form by means of replacement operator. For instance, the following statement denotes a transfer of the data of register R1 into register R2. If P is equals to 1, then R to R1. Here P is a control signal generated in the control section. Transfer from R1 to R1 R2 when P is equals to 1. Here the letter N indicates the number of bits for the register. The N outputs of the register R1 are connected to the N inputs of register R2. Bus and memory transfers. A digital system composed of many registers and paths must be provided to transfer information from one register to another. The number of wires connecting all of the register will be excessive if separate lines are used between each register and all other registers in the system. A bus structure, on the other hand, is more efficient for transferring information between registers in a multi-register configuration system. A bus consists of a set of lines, one for each bit of register, through which binary information is transferred one at a time. Control signals determine which register is selected by the bus during a particular register transfer. Here we see the bus system for 4 registers. Here we have 4 by 1 multiplexers. The two selection lines S1 and S2 are connected to the selection inputs of all 4 multiplexers. The selection lines choose the 4 bits of one register and transfer them into the 4-line common bus. When both of the select lines are at low logic, that is S1 S0 is equals to 0 0, the 0 data inputs of all 4 multiplexers are selected and applied to the outputs that forms the bus. This in turn causes the bus lines to receive the content of registers since the outputs of the registers are connected to the 0 data inputs of the multiplexers. Similarly, when S1 S0 is equal to 0 1, register B is selected and the bus lines will receive the content provided by register B. The following function table shows the registers that is selected by the bus for each of the 4 possible binary values of the selection lines S1, S0 and register selected. Note, the number of multiplexers needed to construct the bus is equal to the number of bits in each register. A bus system can also be constructed using 3-state gates instead of multiplexers. The 3-state gates can be considered as a digital circuit that has 3 gates, 2 of which are signal equivalent to logic 1 and 0 as in a conventional gate. However, the third gate exhibits a high impedance state. The most commonly used 3-state gates in case of the bus system is a buffer gate. The graphical symbol of 3-state buffer gate can be represented as, here we see the OR gate, normal input A, normal input B and output Y. Y is equals to A if C is equals to 1, high impedance if C is equals to 0. The following diagram demonstrates the construction of a bus system with 3-state buffers. Bus line with 3-state buffer. Here we took the 2x4 decoder. The outputs generated by the 4 buffers are connected to form a single bus line. Only one buffer can be in active state at a given point of time. The control inputs to the buffers determine which of the 4 normal inputs will communicate with the bus line. A 2x4 decoder ensures that no more than one control input is active at any given point of time. Memory transfer. Most of the standard notations used for specifying operations on memory transfer are stated below. The transfer of information from a memory unit to the user end is called a read operation. The transfer of new information to be stored in the memory is called a write operation. A memory word is designated by the letter M. We must specify the address of memory word while writing the memory transfer operations. The address register is designated by AR and the data register is designated by DR. Thus, a read operation can be stated as read DR to M of AR. The read statement causes a transfer of information into the data register DR from the memory word M selected by the address register AR, and the corresponding write operation can be stated as write M of AR to R1. The write statement causes a transfer of information from register R1 into the memory word M selected by address register. Here we have AR memory unit, data out, data in, read, write. That's all about my topic. Thank you.